Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are doing great. Our lesson today is Story in Module 8. Today, we are going to learn 6 new words and we are going to identify the main idea through reading and locate specific details through reading. This lesson is in your student's book page 98 and 99 and workbook page 101. Let's start our lesson. Open your student's book page 98, activity 1. And look at the picture here and tell me, what is it? Move. For example, let's move this table over there. And here, the word move is a verb. How about this one? Where are they? They are on a trip. For example, we went on a safari trip last holiday. And here, the word trip is a noun. And look at this picture and tell me, what is it? It's weather forecast. We use the weather forecast when we want to check what the weather is likely to be for the next day or few days. For example, listen to the weather forecast before leaving the house. And here, weather forecast is a compound noun. How about this one? Look at the picture and tell me, what is he doing? He is checking his email. So this one is check. For example, I check my email every day. And here, the word check is a verb. Another picture here. What is it? Warm. For example, sitting by the fire keeps you warm. And here, the word warm is an adjective. And the last one here, look at the picture here and tell me, does he put on his jacket or take off his jacket? Excellent. Take off. For example, take off your jacket. It's hot in here. And take off is verb. Excellent. And now you are going to listen and say, are you ready? Let's go.
Module 8. Story. 1. Vocabulary. Trip. Weather forecast. Warm. Take off. Move. Check.
Well done, boys and girls. And now, are you ready to practice? Let's go. Open your workbook page 101, activity 1. In this activity, you are going to read the sentences and complete them with the words in the box. Here we have trip, weather forecast, take off, warm, check, and move. I'm going to answer the first one as a model for you. Number 1. Look at the. It's going to be sunny at the weekend. What do you think? Excellent weather forecast. Now it's your turn. So pause the video and do the rest by yourself. And once you're done, play the video again to check your answers. Welcome back. Let's check your answers. Number 2. Ali is going to go on to Spain this summer. What do you think? Excellent. Trip. Number 3. Can you help me? This box, Father? Which one? Great job! Move. Number 4. Your hat, Bob. You can't wear it in class. What do you think? Take off. Number 5. I don't like my tea hot. I like it warm. Great job. And the last one here. Did your emails this morning, Majid? Check. Well done, boys and girls. And now it's story time. Open your student's book, page 98 and 99, activity 2. And look at the picture here and tell me, how many characters are there? Can we count them together? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 characters. And look at these pictures and tell me, where do you think the main characters are? They are at home. Well done, boys and girls. And now you are going to listen, follow, and read silently to find out what is the story mainly about. Is it about a false alarm or it's about a true alarm? Are you ready to listen? Let's go.
2. Read and answer. Where do the children live?
A false alarm. Stu, Danny and Lou are going to go on a school trip tomorrow. They are going to try some outdoor sports at a new sports centre.
What's the weather going to be like?
Asks Stu.
Let's check the weather forecast on the internet.
Says Lou. Danny is looking at his tablet. He says,
It's going to be cold and windy tomorrow. It's going to rain too.
The next day, the children are at the sports centre. Stu, Danny and Lou are wearing jackets, scarves and gloves. They're carrying umbrellas too, but it isn't raining. It's sunny and warm. The children are playing golf now,
I'm tired of carrying this umbrella.
says Danny.
I'm wearing 2 jackets. I can't move.
Says Lou.
Me too. Let's take our jackets off.
Says Stu. The children are back home now. Lou says,
Something's wrong with the weather forecast. Let's check it again.
Oh, Danny, you checked the weather for Richmond in London, UK. It's cold and windy there today. We're in Richmond, Virginia, USA.
says Stu.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Says Danny.
Welcome back. So tell me, what is the story mainly about? Is it about a false alarm or it's about a true alarm? Well done! It's about a false alarm. Well done, boys and girls. And now let's read again together to answer some questions. Let's start with the first frame. What are the children going to do tomorrow? And here we have the key words children going to and tomorrow. So let's go through the lines and look for these key words to find the answer. Excellent! They are going to go on a trip. Frame number 2. What are they going to do there? And the key words here are to do there. So let's go through the lines to find the answer. Well done! They are going to try some outdoor sports. Another question in frame 2. What do they decide to do? And the keywords here are decide to do. So let's go through the lines again to look for the answer. Excellent! They decide to check the weather forecast on the internet. Frame number 3. What are the children wearing? And the key words here are children wearing. So let's go through the lines to look for the answer. Well done! They are wearing jackets, scarves, and gloves. Frame number 4. What are the children doing? And the keywords here are frame number 5. What do they decide to do? And the keywords here are they decide to do. So let's go through the lines to find the answer. Great job! They decide to check the weather forecast again. And the last frame here, frame number 6. What did Danny do? And the keywords here are Danny, do. So let's go through the lines to find the answer. Well done! He checked the weather for Richmond in London, UK. And now, are you ready to practice? Let's go! Open your student's book, page 99, activity 3. In this activity, you are going to read again and write T for true or F for false. I'm going to answer the first one as a model for you. Number 1. The children are going to go on a school trip to a sports center. And here are the keywords to help you. What do you think? True or false? Well done! True. And if you go back to the story, you will find the evidence. And now it's your turn. So pause the video and do the rest by yourself. And once you are done, play the video again to check your answers. Welcome back. Let's check your answers. Number 2. The children are carrying umbrellas because it's raining. And here are the key words. Excellent. False. And here you can find the evidence. They are carrying umbrellas too, but it isn't raining. Number 3. The weather is good on the day of the school trip. And here are the key words. What do you think? True. And here you can find the evidence. It's sunny and warm. Number 4. Danny doesn't want to carry his umbrella. And here are the key words. True or false? True. And here you can find the evidence. And the last one, number 5. Danny checked the weather forecast for Richmond, Virginia. And here are the key words. What do you think? False. And here you can find the evidence. Oh, Danny, you checked the weather for Richmond in London. Well done, boys and girls. And now let's move to Let's Think Bubble. And we are going to ask Ahmed some questions. Are you ready, Ahmed? Let's go. Do you check the weather forecast? Yes, I check the weather forecast. because it helps me decide what to wear. And what is your favorite weather? Well, my favorite weather is rainy weather because I like playing indoor game with my friends, like computer games or board games. How about you? Do you check the weather forecast? And what is your favorite weather? Share your ideas. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.